Hello, I'm going to show you how to post on Opensea using your mobile phone. Just make sure you download your Opensea app and your MetaMask wallet app. Now open your MetaMask wallet app. Unlock it by using your password. Go to the browser and type Opensea. Here you can create your NFT or the item you want to sell. I'm going to create an image and give the necessary details such as name and descriptions. After providing the needed details, you can now tap the button Create. And here, we're almost done. Now just finish the verification buttons. And now you created your NFT. Just type the amount you want and click the complete listing button. And now you have an NFT listed. That's all. Your item has been listed. Thank you for watching.